The cars?
No! Just missed it.
Prescription hogs. Hey there, have you ever...
I used to crash into her just so I could smoke her.
Frosted Flakes good.
Another happy landing.
Oh, a toilet. Ah, get off!